how to remove end-to-end encryption on your Facebook Messenger. So as you can see, this is a chat, and let me open it, and there is no end-to-end encryption. First I will show you how you can put it and then remove it. So before that, you can see there is only one chat. Okay, there is no two chat. So first let's enable the end-to-end encryption. For that, you just go there and tap this option called go to secret conversation, and here you can see the end-to-end is enabled now. So let's type something, and after that you will find there is two chat, right? This is the normal one, there is no end-to-end encryption, and this is the one with the end-to-end encryption. So you can chat anything you want after enabling that. And in order to remove it, there is no option, there is no direct button or direct switch which you can tap it and it will remove. So if you want to remove it, you just need to delete the chat. All right, just delete the one with the end-to-end encryption and continue in your normal version. As you can see, you can continue here.